beautiful. Look at that. That'll never fly in this, mate.
He says, you watch.
Oh yes, she's another beautiful day at the field today. Look at that wind. It's a 25 knot windsock and it's nearly straight out in the gusts. Woohoo, yeah. Yeah, just a gentle breeze really, I suppose. Nothing really to complain about. And at least the sun's coming out from time to time, you know. I mean, but it's pretty cold actually. There's a bitter wind. This wind is really coming from the south and it's bringing up all the cold from the snow down on the southern Alps. So jackets are a must today. Lucas here in the gale-force winds with his little... Look at that. That'll never fly in this, mate.
He says, you watch.
Like even the Super Easy I'd full throttle to come into this wind. I think you're just going to be walking, mate. Gentle breeze. Get blown, of course, myself.
It'll have to be a hand launch.
Yeah. Only an idiot or fearless Luke wouldn't dare to fly in these winds.
Maybe it needs 6 holes in it today.
And a brick, I think. Yeah, it's just going to end up down the dirt bikes, yeah. He's going to try it on bloody...
You got no shot. You have to hand launch it, Luke.
It blew the wheels off her on. Oh, it's going to lead some help. Here we go. This is not going to end well, I can almost guarantee it. I'll pan down, zoom down because it's going to... This will be downwind so damn quickly. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Full throttle, full throttle. Oh, and he's lost the downwind. I can't see a damn thing through the... Here we go. Still going. Yeah, look at it. He's on full throttle. Where is it now? He's going to walk for that. Full throttle. But yeah, she's doing bloody well, isn't he? Oh my goodness. Listen to that motor going. Full power. Am I safe here?
My back, I thought he was going to hit me.